Finally, we are moving away from the saturated YouTube Shorts era and going back to original YouTube videos that actually makes money for creators. I like proving everything that I want to share, and here is one example. My good friend here has attracted 7 million views in just 6 months. Crazy enough, these views you are seeing here are not from short videos, but actual YouTube videos that are up to 30 minutes long. So in today's tutorial, forget about viral short videos and think of starting your own YouTube channel with actual monetizable videos. Before you ask, is it even monetizable? Let's see how much this channel is earning. Here I am on this MrBeast website where you can check the earnings for each YouTube channel. Yes, this guy is making between $3,000 to $5,000 a month just by making Would You Rather videos. And the main reason is because he decided to be different others. And you could be in the next 100 creators to do this if you're lucky enough to have found this video. Don't worry, I will show you where to get all the questions and also how to make these videos using Canva and ChatGPT. So let's get started. First of all, to have an idea of what we're going to create, let's play a few seconds of their most viral videos so we see what we need to create.
Would you rather be able to control fire or be able to control water? Would you rather kiss Joe Biden or like this video?
Of course, I would rather like this video. First of all, let's go to ChatGPT and ask him to give us 20 Would You Rather options. I also told it to make the options about pain or harm-related scenarios. Don't worry. I have included the prompt in the description, so you just need to copy and paste it. Here's the list ChatGPT gave me, and it's just the perfect list. So to make our own, just go to Canva, and after signing up, click on this video tab, and you will land on this dashboard. Now click on the Elements tab here, and search for background videos. From the results, pick a good one and then set it as your background video. Reduce its duration to 15 seconds. You can also add a bar at the top where we are going to add the text, so I just put this yellow bar and then add the text. Click on text and then type the words, "What would you rather?" and place it well, highlighting the last word with a different color. Now search for a board frame and pick one that has a white space below it, like this one I chose. Duplicate it and place it well on the two sides. Now we need to add a small circle in the middle. To do this, just press the letter C on your keyboard and a circle will appear. Adjust its size and place it in the middle, then add some text, which is the word "or." Now we need to add our two images. So I had to go back to ChatGPT and confirm our first two options. Here they are. Would you rather have your hand crushed slowly by a hydraulic press or have your foot submerged in boiling oil? I had to look for good images and couldn't find any, so I just searched for them on Google and found these two images here. Place your images on the frame, and this is how it should look. I also added a timer I downloaded from TikTok and placed it below the two options. Add some animations to your images, especially enter and exit animations. Now, making the rest of the questions shouldn't be as time-consuming because we just need to right-click on the video and then click on duplicate. Now our second question is ready, but we only need to change the images. So I just checked ChatGPT again to find the other two questions and then place their images here. The two images are about broken glass and razor blade, so I just searched them up on Canva and I found the perfect images. Just place them well, and we are good to proceed. Now, let's add the text for each option. Just click on text and write a short version of the question. For example, your hand crushed slowly by a hydraulic press, place it well below the image, and then do the same for the other options. Finally, it's time to make the voiceover. And for this, we use Elevenlabs. I will also put the link in the description. I chose Elevenlabs because this website produces one of the most realistic AI voices that sometimes you can't even differentiate from real voices. So here I am on the Elevenlabs website, and all you need to do is choose a speaker, paste in your script, making sure to add all necessary pauses. Also, you don't have to say the words "would you rather" for every question, as you can just mention them separately. So generate your text and then download it. Finally, here's what it looks like after adding the audio to the video.
Would you rather have your hand crushed by a hydraulic press or have your foot submerged in boiling oil? Be forced to eat broken glass or swallow a dozen razor blades?
Creating videos like this is a fantastic way to engage your audience and have fun while growing your channel. Not only do these Would You Rather videos spark curiosity and encourage interaction, but they also have the potential to go viral and reach a wide audience. So why not give it a try and start making your own? If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on more great content like this.